Okay guys, dito po yung sikat sa FB page. Kakanta po siya.
Ate, kuya, add nyo kami sa Bench TV ha.
Sige, sige. Bench TV.
Teka lang, nag-ayos ko yung kuya. Yung nag-trending na kanta ko.
Okay.
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel the love that's
Suportahan natin yung page nila guys, Bench TV.
this time I
Yan guys,
love
napakagaling.
you even better than I ever did before.
Follow natin siya guys.
And you'll be in my heart forevermore. We were just too young to know we fell
Yun no, galing.
in love and
Kinikilabutan ako sa kanta yun.
so easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feelings die.